Time now for Traders Unplugged as we bring you two traders ready to go toe-to-toe over hot topics. Joining us from the Flora CME Group, top traders Alan Nuckman and Jared Levy. Good morning, guys. And round number one, hot air. Texas is the nation's leader in wind energy, but with alternative power tax credits possibly coming to an end, which energy company stock would you buy now?
Well, this is not the end of oil, but the fact that oil's bounced up all the way to 100, you want to look at some other sectors. I think natural gas is still undervalued. It had dropped from 40 all the way down to 14, and right now it's only sitting at 18.
Talk about the UNG.
The UNG, right. Looking at the ETF that tracks natural gas, I think it's a more efficient way to play into it. And if it just bounces back half of this downward move, we still have about a 50% rise here.
As a Texan, I support natural gas. I will say that I like CHK a little bit better. I like how they move the gas around. I think CHK has put a lot of money into that part of their business. And I also agree with Alan. You can play with UNG. One thing to remember, though, you've got that negative roll yield. If natural gas does take a while, could eat a little bit away at your profits. So CHK will be my pick.
Also look at some coal companies. They're really been beaten down. If you can hold them long term, you could look at them almost as
round number two. Because of the drought, a popcorn crisis is possible. If moviegoers stay home because they can't have popcorn or they have to pay too much, is this a boom for Netflix or Amazon?
Go ahead.
You know, I like Amazon here, and I'll tell you why I like Amazon. First of all, they just fired off their new Fire, the new Kindle.
Right.
I also like Amazon because, listen, they're creating content. They're creating a content universe, and here's the deal: movies are changing. You can get brand new movies now by going on your computer and clicking.
Right. You don't have to go to the theater, and the popcorn's really the only reason to go in the big box of candy. But if you looked at the Amazon stock, it's up 20% from the 15th of July when this crisis started in the corn market. So it looks like it's already priced in. Looking at Netflix, it's been killed, absolutely killed, from 220 down to 50 some. You can sell a 50 put if you want to buy the shares at a lower level because the volatility is high, and use that to buy the stock at a discount, but it could always get more discounted.
I feel like that stock's burned me way too many times. I'm sticking with Amazon.
Round number three, who's better for job growth, Mr. Obama or Mr. Romney?
To be nonpartisan, the budget office has projected that we're going to get 12 million jobs in the next president, regardless of who it is.
Well, and here's the deal. Either president's got their work cut out for them. You know, one thing I didn't like about some of the statements by our friendly Democrats is that they said, you know, hey, Obama's added 4.5 million jobs, which is great, but you can't forget about the jobs that are leaving.
That's the question. Did you ask, is Romney going to get a bunch of jobs overseas, or are you talking about America? You got to be more clear on this.
It's my fault that, you know. Okay, here we go. Ticker time. What company trades under the ticker PETM? Petem.
That's PetMeds.
PetMeds? Is that where you buy the flea collars for your dogs at late night TV?
I do Frontline.
You're very close. It's PetSmart.
I know it was PetSmart. I just thought that it would be like more logical.
So cute.
Petem.
Thanks for being on the show today. We loved it.
Thank you.